So first, we are going to see on the official Certbot website the installation commands. So we have to know what version of Ubuntu we are using. If you know it, it's okay. If you don't, then you use the lsb release-a command, and then it says what Ubuntu version you have. And to install Certbot on Nginx, you have to see the website to have the full command line. So here I want to check up my Ubuntu version. So I use the lsb release-a command, and it says it's Ubuntu 16, so it's a Xenial version. Here we are on the Certbot official website, and we are going to see here on the index page that we can choose the web server software we are using. So here it's Nginx, and here I am on Xenial Ubuntu version. So I set Ubuntu version here. Here you have the command lines to install Certbot on Ubuntu. So I can use the certainly option of Certbot to test the certificate generation and how Certbot answers thanks to your Nginx configuration. So as a tip, important information, you have to have your domain names, and for example, if you have two domains, you have to have your first domain that points to your DigitalOcean Droplet IP, and also another domain. If you have another domain on the same server, you have to have the DNS record of this second domain that points to the same DigitalOcean Droplet IP, and then you set up domain names in Nginx configuration files, and that's how you have various domains on the same IP with Nginx. You can see the certificates you have on your server using the certificates option of Certbot. And if you want to see all the commands, you can use the --help option for Certbot. So here I'm using Certbot --help option to see the command lines, the various commands of Certbot. So we have certainly here to generate the certificate and manually install the certificate. Then we have dry run is there to test the command line and because you have few attempts to succeed in generating your certificate. So now I use sudo certbot certificates to show you the certificates I have. So I right click here to pass the password, and I have two certificates. The first one I used was automatic installation, and I didn't set up the multi-domain option, so I had to manually delete the certificate in a Nginx configuration file, and then generate another certificate that I install manually. However, you can install for once one for good your certificate for multi-domains you have on your Nginx server when you set up the -d domain option for -d domain 1, -d domain 2, etc. And generate one certificate for all these domains and subdomains the first time. So here I use the certainly option to test for 3 domains I have. It has to be real domains you set up on your Nginx server. You can't generate, of course, for other domains that you don't own or work for. And so I have a subdomain here like this, and another subdomain here. I think you can use wildcards to generate once for all certificate for all subdomains you have or you are going to have. However, I set it like this for subdomains I own and created. So now it checks if the domains redirect to the server it's on, and test if the new certificate it's generating is going to work if you installed it for real. So here it says it's okay. So if I wanted to install to generate the certificate for manual installation for real, I would delete the dry run option here, hit enter, and then set up the certificate file and the certificate files in the Nginx configuration. So you can find the configuration file in the description, and also the official website of Certbot website on the description. This video is now finished. If you successfully install your SSL certificate, leave a like and a comment. I'm very happy to read your comments. So thanks, and see you later. Goodbye.